You're okay. Lily, your booty's wet. Oh, your pants. Yeah, you're going to have to take them off when you go inside and let them dry. Ew. Look at how many. Oh, this thing won't stop.
Watch me eat it.
Ew, Lily, stop. Oh, man. Oh, don't get my phone wet. Look at me, Jackson. Uh-oh, zip up.
Yeah. They need to be outside with their children playing in the snow.
Yeah. All bundled up.
I feel like I'm the only one prepared for this.
You feel like you're the only one prepared with socks on your hands?
Mama, look at me.
I see you're making all kinds of lines in the snow. Don't do that.
I like to do.
Oh, man. We've already probably got at least 2 inches.
Mommy, this is like a stay place.
Yeah. If it can get up to like 4, it'll stay for a little bit. Wow. Okay, now do the angel. Yeah, put your arms all the way out and in. Do the angel. Do the angel. All right, now stand up and look at it. Oh, you got a cute little angel. Got a little bit messed up, but hey. I'll take a picture of it. Awesome.
It's awesome like an angel.
Stop eating the snow, dude. Quit. Turn around. Turn around. Hey. I got ice on my phone. Hey. Come here. Oh, God, put your shoe back on. Oh, yeah, get that shoe on. Stay in your shoes.
Double ambush.
Yeah, double shot.
No.
Now we can make a snowman. Daddy needs to be out here. Wanna build a snowman? Come on and let's play. Come outside. Woohoo! Yeah, girl. She's like, this snow don't scare me. All right, Jackson, we gotta push all the snow together. Make a snowman like right over here. Oh, there's a snow angel. Crunch, crunch. Oh, that's what Daddy's waiting for. Oh, for me? I thought it was for Lily.
Wow, we already got it about an inch right now.
Yeah, this is more than an inch. This is at least 2 inches. Look at my snowball.
It's not quite 2 inches yet.
Look at my snowball. Look at my snowball. Here.
Here, go get him.
All right.
Now throw to Mama.
Whoa!
Yeah, good job, Dada.
Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Oh yeah, he's so happy. Yeah, she's got snow on her nose. Oh,
She's so cute.
I know, she's liking it. The other one's like, heck no.
She's a boy.
Maybe she's kind of like got that in her blood, because she does not seem to care one bit. Kimberly's like, oh my gosh, she's coming for me. Look at her, she knows. Are you okay? You're okay. Jackson's like, he's a penguin. baby. Oh God! Woo! You can't trust your daddy. Oh yeah, buddy. He's trying to stand up. He's so crazy. That's awesome. I think your daddy's enjoying it more. Oh, you want me to try? No, I thought maybe your daddy might want to try. Oh, I'll try later.
You try later.
Oh, I'll try it.
Hold up, puppy!
Oh God. Uh-oh. Wow. You want to ride again, Daddy? One, two. Oh my God! Look at the big snowballs. Oh, you gave him that? Oh, you want to ride now, Daddy?
I'm gonna stand up.
Oh, okay, yeah. You need to if you put a string with a bar, you could.